Hi boys and girls, Mr. Haynes here. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a reading strategy called Stretchy Snake. Remember, there are many different reading strategies that we can use that will help us to be a good reader and to kind of help us to decode new words that maybe we're not familiar with. Okay? Stretchy Snake slowly stretches out all the letters in a word and then blends them together to make the word. But watch out, some sounds are made of more than one letter. We call these digraphs, and they can be a bit tricky. So let's practice. So for the first word we have is, let's sound it out together. Ship, ship. Ship. That's the word. And you can see that I've put 3 dots underneath because ship has 3 sounds, even though the first sound is made of 2 letters. Okay, and when you're using Stretchy Snake, you always kind of stretch out the vowels in the middle, and that will help you to kind of like blend the word together. Let's do another one. Here we go. Cat, 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 cat. All right, cat. And remember that when you are reading, you can also use other reading strategies with Stretchy Snake to guess these words, like eagle eye. All right, and the next one has 2 digraphs, or 2 sounds that are made with 2 letters. Let's do it. Truck, truck, truck. There we go. And there are 2 sounds there that are made with 2 letters, tra and k. And then we've got log, log, and drip, drip. Okay. So the next time you come to a word that maybe you're not familiar with, make sure you try Stretchy Snake.